Hello everyone, we created a tutorial explaining how to install and run Llama 3.1 large language model in Python and Windows. That is, we created a tutorial explaining how to run Llama 3.1 on a local computer. A link to the tutorial is given in the description below this video. And here is a brief demonstration. Over here you can see a simple driver code that explains how to use Llama 3.1. This is a Python code. Over here, we specify the model path, then we create a pipeline that enables us to use the model, and here's the main part of the code. Over here, we ask the question, and we ask the question how to solve a quadratic equation. Then, over here, we define the output, and we simply print the output. So let's save this file, close this window, and let's run this code by simply typing Python test1.py, and over here you can see real-time execution of Llama 3.1 large language model. And another interesting thing is that here you can see basically memory consumption. I'm using NVIDIA 3090 GPU with 24 GB of RAM memory, and you can see the memory consumption, and literally maybe 10-15 seconds you got the answer. Know that this model has around 8 billion parameters, and in 10 seconds on NVIDIA 4090 you can get an answer, and you can see the answer. So here's the example. We can factor, of course, the equation. Then this is the first approach, and here's the quadratic formula, and this looks correct and reasonable. Okay, the complete tutorial is given in the description below.